doing a little adventure. And Kisko is going on the way to adventure too.
Going to an adventure too?
Yeah. And Frog is going to, and Giraffe is going to, and take her duck with you. And Owl is going to, and Cow is going to,
This is a good story.
and Sid with Nikki and hold a balloon, and the balloon is